This is our Family Engagement 3rd grade Read, Write, and Play Pack. This kit is chock full of materials that will get students excited about learning, and it will also help build that school to home connection, helping to get parents involved in the reading process. This kit comes in an amazing bag with a sturdy handle for easy portability, taking back to school, back to home, and keeping all the materials safe in the process. All of these hands-on materials are great for learning recovery. After a rough few years, getting kids excited about learning and engaged in the process is what it's all about. So let me show you this kit. This activity and instruction guide is the cornerstone of our kit. It starts with a family letter, the 4 C's, tips from the classroom, and tips to build reading skills. So this 24-page guide is in both English and Spanish to help with learners, whether they're English speakers or native English speakers or Spanish speakers. This will help create that communication with the family at home. And we find that if you give them a little bit of material on what you're doing in the classroom, it empowers parents to know what you're doing and have the confidence to say, I can support my student in learning these goals at home. So the guide will also walk through, the teacher or the parent, how to use each item and extension activities that they can do to take it even further or use it in an outside the box way. So we feature these dry erase mats, double-sided, 3 of them, so you double the fun with 6 sides. Paint a picture, inference maker, a KWHL, reader roundup, and a writing spot with open-ended. So students will be able to practice their ELA skills in a hands-on way. And we also set up the students for success by including the dry erase marker. Not every family is going to have one at home, so we're getting them ready to have everything they need right in the kit. Each kit will also include a journal. This is a particularly fun one that has some silly scenarios to get the kids involved in reading and coming up with what happened in that picture. The kit will also come with a game. This game is 2 to 4 players, and this is an inflected ending game. So this activity helps students to derive meaning through what the inflected ending is and what the base is. So it takes that skill, makes it fun, makes it engaging, and gets the kids hands-on, connecting, and learning without even knowing they're learning. The task cards are a large size, and they are working with manipulative chips. So these story chips help students expand sentences by asking who, what, where, when, how, and why. So these chips help the student to come up with the pieces to put together into a story and adds a little bit of support and guidance when they need it. Now, beyond walking the parent or the teacher through every piece in the kit, this guide also has a 30-day calendar, and each day has an exciting activity that helps students connect with their parents. And who doesn't want to get the kids excited about learning in real life situations and get them having fun together and connecting? That's what's going to get the kids excited, and that's what's going to build the classroom community and help the parents feel like they're part of it. So we hope your teachers and your parents and your whole class community enjoys these kits.